best Street Peddler in it. No Wild Side, but Street Peddler plus pretty good cards. So, yeah, we'll do that. I could go Gamble, Lamprey, Run. I could go Lamprey, Run. That actually seems pretty good. You can have your Ash. Can't afford to trash that right now. Not sure that this is right. Yeah, because he can do that. How many Ashes are in this stupid hand? Yeah. Oh, that's annoying. I forgot he could do that. God damn it. That was bad. Oh, man. I can't afford to take that right now. Mistakes and mistakes and mistakes. Imp and Pawn Shop. Okay. Yeah. I'll get this out now. That's all this. Let's try our best to trash this. Sure. Could definitely use a Wild Side. I think I'm just gonna play this because I have cash. IQ for 3, sure. Yeah, let's get my cash value. As much as I want to just draw more cards, I'm not selling anything. I don't want to sell the sucker to Pawn Shop. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna play this. If he goes down to 2 cards in hand, I can kill things. Either NAPD or Vitruvius, I guess. I have no Faust. He has 4 cards. I can imp this thing. It's probably pretty good. Whatever it is. Yeah, let's keep drawing. Wild side? Wild side? David, pawn shop, wild side! Yay! Alright, then I'll play this in anticipation. How many cards have I milled so far? 5? That's a reasonable amount. Start running archives, maybe. Yeah, I'll sell this, I guess. I can sell pawn. I can sell data test next turn if there's nothing better to sell. This is always going to be useless. Let's see. What can we do here? I have no Faust, so I can't break any ice. I can force him to res on archives, maybe. It could just definitely be an architect, and that's so bad. I don't really want to inject. I want to draw another card and play 2 cards. Or 3 cards. I could be parasiting the IQ there, but I'm not really sure if I should be. I guess drawing cards is better than playing this for a gamble. No Pyrrhac, please. He's not playing Pyrrhac. Alright, good. Maybe I should be cutting gambles from this deck. Still no Faust. Let's see, what can I do? I can go Parasite, Data Sucker, run HQ with Lamprey, run HQ with Lamprey. Seems okay, actually. Now I'll steal this. There's your Jackson Howard. More HQ ice, sure. Do I want to sell something? I think I could sell this Lamprey. It's probably going to get purged anyway. Alright, what did I get? Still no ways to break things, unfortunately. Lamprey, run HQ, run Jackson Howard. I'll lose the click. And then I think I'll pay 3 here. So it makes him lose 1. It gives me all these data sucker tokens. Weird, he shuffled in Daily Business Show over Hedge Fund. I can't agree with that. Alright, I need to sell Data Sucker now. That's good, sort of. I could go Clone Ship, Mimic, run Archives. If it's Ichi, it's not that bad. Because I just get another Data Sucker or Parasite and break it. It's Architect, I'm paying to break it anyway. Sure. Oh, you had a hedge fund. Okay. Still nothing. Let's just Parasite this and then click Eli. The fact that he rezzed it makes me think that there's agendas. No agendas. Alright. Oh man, really? Alright, one ice. What is it? Turing? Turing on the remote? Sure. That's kind of bad, actually. Can I get my damn Faust? Thank you. Still no medium, though. I could inject looking for medium, but I'm gonna, like, run out of cards soon. So that's 3 strength now. You can have your Adonis campaign. Um. Oh, I should. I could click the Turing and make him dump like a bunch of money into Ash. If I draw a medium, I'll just do that though. Still no medium. What do I want to sell? Do I want to click for 3 credits right now? I think so. These deja vus are too slow. Alright, so let's say I run here. It makes him dump all his money, but it spends my whole turn. I think it's not good enough. Let's inject, because I need a medium right now. He's got CVS, that sucks. Sherlock? Huh. What do I do about Sherlock? I guess I click it. Oh, Jackson Howard, get the fuck out of here. Next turn, I'm going to let Wildside fire and then sell it. Actually, I think I'm going to sell it before it fires, maybe. So I don't have that much in my deck that I care about. It is nice to get cards for Faust, though. What else could I sell? I could sell Mimic. Yeah, I'll sell Mimic. Oh, you know what? I'll sell Data Sucker. No. I'll sell Mimic. I can always clinch a bit. Ash. Jesus Christ, really? So many things I have to deal with. Oh man, I guess I have to trash this. And I'll pitch, I think the gambles are just worse than the deja vus no matter what. Yeah, I'm definitely selling this wild side before it triggers this time. I guess now I'll sell Data Sucker. No, I'll sell wild side. This is a fresh card. Prison Grid's fine. The win is likely in Archives at this point, I think. But if he's overscoring Vitruvius here, he can rescue that. For that reason, maybe it was better for me to go with Archives. Yeah. Edgerun and Turing. So let's see. If he's got one agenda, he's got 10 agendas. So there's one in the discard. Let's just play Deja Vu. I could run R&D again, but I don't think he can win this turn. Oh wait, maybe he can. I don't want to do that. It's a Biotic Labor. Let's trash this Adonis campaign instead. I think that's better. Jackson Howard. Do I want to sell Data Sucker? Not really. What do you think? I can clone ship to kill the Eli. But that's like sort of it. I could let Sherlock fire on the last one, so I can like run through Sherlock. Pitch 3 cards. Play Clone Ship. Run Eli, kill it. Run R&D, run R&D. Something like that. Sure. Let's try it like that. Oh yeah, but then he just shuffles now. Maybe this is worse. Oh, god damn it. Can I trash this? I pay 4 to trash this, I play Clone Ship. I can't quite kill Sherlock. Fuck. Oh, I could trash it, draw a card, and then just break Sherlock again. That's fine. Right, yeah. Unfortunately, I don't think I can mill another card. When I play a card, I don't have enough to do this. I can't afford to steal NAPD. Also bad. Yay! We did it, boys! Alright. Good note to end on. I probably botched that game. I could have probably